So there's a lot of smoke on the backpack, and I think that Sprite has fixed the issue, and I really recommend it. It's really good and it works really well. I've been using that one for about 6 months, and like I say, it's really good. Um, all of the smoke coming through the blower is fixing, cleaning the carburetor. Hey, what's up, guys? Today, again, Jose with One Way Lamp Service. I want to do this quick video, and the reason is about oil. Why about oil? Well, two-cycle oil is the main reason why I'm making this video today. And I normally use Red Armor Eco oil, and I switch from the regular oil to the Red Armor oil because I like the color and I like the ingredients and all of that kind of stuff that is show on the label. You can pause the video and read all that kind of stuff if you are able to. So I lost my container to measure the oil, and I make a big mistake stopping by Home Depot and buying this weird two-cycle oil from the lamp equipment section. So let me talk a little bit about this. I'm not sure how this video is gonna be because I'm making some sections since I am fixing all my stuff. So I only use it for emergency reason, and I need the container. That was the reason why I got the oil. So I say, well, I don't want to dump the oil. I want to use it in one of my gallons. So I mix 1 gallon, and then after mixing all that kind of stuff, I put it on my commercial BP770T, and then I use it on my Eco Weed Eater and on my other Eco Weed Eater 280T commercial grade. And I noticed some of the on my Eco commercial grade, nothing happened, but on my blower, I noticed something that I wasn't able to start my blower, and after fuel pulls, the blower start very slow, no power. And another thing, I was trying to push the gas, and the gas wasn't going through, and for some reason right now it's going through. And so I say, well, what is really happening? And, I was trying to figure it out, and then I remembered I was using this 2-cycle oil from Home Depot, and well, I make my blower run very unpowerful. I was trying to press the trigger, and when I was pressing the trigger, and it was like very slow, losing power. And so I finished my day yesterday, and I dumped all the gas from the blower, the 2 liters on my on the same gallon. So I still had the gas mixed with the oil, and so I stopped at the gas station. I mixed my red Armor oil, and I put it on all of the blowers and the weeders. And I remember that I had this thing on my garage, and it's a Blaster Advanced Small Engine Tune-Up, and it's very easy to use, guys. And I may be able to make a video, a small chart, clip, and put it on so you can see how. And so I spray this thing into the spark plug, hole for 5-10 seconds, and after you spray the liquid, the juice into the hole, you turn the equipment over and you let it rest for 15 minutes, and then you're gonna be able to see my blower, how it's working properly after doing that kind of process. So I'm so excited that I got my blower back and I got my weeder back. I already done my weeding like around 20 minutes without any issues, and this old Echo weeder, I wasn't able to make it run nice, and easy after putting that oil on it, and it was working really good before. So I said, well, what is really happening? Because it's making damage into my my equipment. Like I say, I was not able to press that little rubber thing and make the gas, purge, I don't know, whatever it is, make the gas go through the lines. And after all, I got everything fixed. I take the air filters, I cleaned it and everything. All my spark plugs were very nice and very clean, and so I was trying to figure it out. So these, don't buy it anymore. Never make that mistake that I make. So I'm trying to save you money and save you time. Don't buy this, for your equipment, especially for Echo. I am an Echo fan, and I'm gonna be using Echo, I think forever. So don't buy this kind of stuff from Home Depot. All I need is the container for measure my oil, and this is only $65, and you can order online. This is only like $9, and you can order online, and it's very easy. I'm gonna leave the link probably below, and you can buy it online. Sorry for the long video, but this is gonna be very useful for you guys. And this is basically a tune-up that I've been doing for my lamp equipment like all the winter. See you soon, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna do a little demonstrations on how to do a tune-up using the Blaster Advanced Small Engine Tune-Up. This is really good. So you can see in one of my videos on how oil, from other brands cause damage into the lamp equipment, and you better use it properly. Oil for whatever brand is, for example Echo, I use the Red Armor. So I'm gonna do a little demonstration on these. So basically unplugging the spark, and it's very easy, very simple. And I haven't used this, I haven't replaced this in about 6 months. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a new one on it, and I can just yeah, basically I'm gonna go ahead and put a new one. I have plenty of these. So you shake, you spray inside the hole from 5 to 10 seconds, and you do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, basically after you finish that, you do this. You put the spark back on, and basically the oil that you have put it on is gonna run through the exhaust, and it's gonna make a little tune-up on it. So I put this back on, and then this is the trick. You turn the equipment upside down and basically let it rest for 15 minutes, and then it should be ready. And then we're gonna go with the next step on this. And also you can see my other video on how my BP 770 T Eco commercial blower was damaged by my other oil, so now it's working really good. So we're gonna leave it for 15 minutes and we're gonna come back soon. Okay guys, so I am back after 5 minutes. I had some gas, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the blower and see what happened. Now you are seeing the juice that I put it on. It's working really well. It's cleaning the engine, or basically it's cleaning the carburetor and all that kind of stuff. The blower was running really good. There was no issue at all with the blower. So now it's working really good, and I'm gonna press the trigger so you can see the smoke. It's gonna clear. So let me turn that thing off. So I hope you have enjoyed the video, and that's the power of this little thing. I'm not getting paid for doing this commercial about this kind of thing, but I think I feel very, very thankful doing this, you know, because it's gonna help my friends on the lawn care community on YouTube, and I really recommend them for especially those who lives on the area where they get a lot of cold weather and you storage your equipment for a little while. So I don't have that kind of problems right here in Texas, but yes, this is only 10 bucks and you can get it online, and my blower is working really well, and like I say, my other blower is working really good too. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Keep checking for more videos, and I hope I can make videos, you know, that can be useful for anyone on YouTube. Hasta la vista.